Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Vlookup function in Excel. Vlookup function in Excel is a function used to search for a specific value in a table or range and then retrieve a corresponding value from another column in the same row. It stands for vertical lookup. So let's move on to our screen and see how it works. First of all, and I will write name of three salesmen, say Babar and Azan and Waka. So through VLOOKUP formula I will bring the value of sales by Mr. Babar. So write the formula VLOOKUP and press tab. First is lookup value is Babar and press comma, then table array. For table array select these three columns ignoring the serial number column, then put comma and column index number. Column index means from which column the VLOOKUP will extract the value of sales, and because the sales in third column we have table array of these three columns, so sales in third column, so I will write here 3, and after that you can see if you want exact match or exact value then you will write false, or if you want approximate value then you will write true, and you can use 0 for exact match and 1 for approximate value. So I will write here 0 and bracket close and enter, and you can see it has bring the value of sales of Babar. Here you can see Babar sale is 3 million, and drag the formula to remaining, and you can see the sale of remaining are also brought by the VLOOKUP formula. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.